I did a nice video and then it decided to stop itself. I don't know why. Home sweet home, Umlazi B section. That's Umlazi. Okay. It decided to switch itself off. I don't know when does it do that. Okay, so back to square one. That's Mrs. Mia. I had already videoized this, but it switched off. Okay, that's the neighborhood. That's the neighborhood. In that house they can't drive a car up. This is their only entrance up the steps. That's Umlazi, our neighborhood. Okay, now the township only reached up to, where's the crash now? The crash is there. That's the crash. And that house and that yellow house, that's the edge of the township. You follow it like that. Everything below that is new. It's RDPs. It started off as slums, so it's becoming RDPs. Up that road, that double-story white house was the edge of the township. Everything after is, it started as slums and became RDPs. There was nothing there. It was bush, and then up, and then up there on that hill there was nothing. It was bush. Those are RDPs. Okay, that's how Umlazi was. Kwakuhlelekile, so kuyoba sekulentuza kufakwa ke izindlu all over the place, so especially ama-RDPs. Alright, but if you look at the original township, you can see how the boundary was basically. Alright.